For nearly 70 years, Bonnell Aluminum has been a trusted partner in the aluminum extrusion industry. But did you know that our expertise extends far beyond extrusion? Our precision-driven fabrication processes are backed by decades of manufacturing experience and industry knowledge. And our in-house, vertically integrated approach ensures every order is consistent, correct, on time, and within budget. Our capabilities include high-precision straight and miter cutting, vertical and horizontal milling, robotic and CNC machining, rotary, push, and stretch bending, punching, stamping, and piercing. If you need to join extrusions together, our on-site assembly teams are experts in manual and robotic welding, riveting, and other fastening technology. With our ability to turn around aluminum fabrication projects quickly, you can count on Bonnell Aluminum for all your custom aluminum extrusion, fabrication, and finishing needs. You can rest easily at night knowing we've spent 7 decades perfecting these capabilities, providing customers with a streamlined process from design to assembly. Bonnell Aluminum is an ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2015, and IATF 16949-2016 quality certified manufacturer. As your one-stop shop for custom fabricated and finished aluminum extrusions, we invite you to explore the full breadth of Bonnell Aluminum's fabrication capabilities. Discover how you can improve efficiency, save money, and simplify your operations. Visit BonnellAluminum.com to learn more.